Want to download CapCut on your Vivo T4X but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download and install CapCut on your Vivo T4X without any hassle.